brown bear, brown bear. What do you see? Is that a bear? Bear, that's right. I see a red bird looking at me. Let me see, is that a bird?
Yeah.
Let me see bird. That's right. Yeah, they're outside. Red bird, what do you see? I see a... Is that a duck looking at me? Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse. Is that a pony? Let me see pony. 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 Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Is that a frog? That's right, a frog. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat. That's right, a cat. The purple cat sees a white dog. Dog, white dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep. What does a black sheep say? That's right, black sheep, what do you see? I see a... What is that? A goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? Children? And we see, what do you see? Where's the frog? That's right. Where's the bear? Where's the bear? You show me bear? There, that's right. Oh, you see a bird? Where's the bird? That's right. What about a dog? You see a dog? There it is. What about a fish? You see a fish? There it is. And where's the sheep? There it is. What does the sheep say? That's right. And who else is there? Do you see a cat? Can you say cat? Good try.